Richard, thank you so much for coming to help us with this outdoor shower project.
Glad to help, and any reason to get to the Cape is okay with me and hang with you guys.
All right, and Richard, I bet you have more than a few outdoor showers in your resume?
I do. I mean, I've always had one at my own house. Both of my boys, first thing they did was put an outdoor shower in. And even though it's a short summer season here in New England, nothing better than an outdoor shower.
No, I agree.
Totally agree. And I really think we're going to finish this project today.
Good.
Oh, it looks like Colleen and Gavin are already out here.
Hello, guys.
How's it going? Nice to meet you.
I'm Richard.
Gavin, thanks for coming.
Pleasure.
I'm Colleen.
Nice to see you.
Hi.
Nathan did a nice job putting
Of
this
course
together.
he did a great job.
I mean, but it's extra beautiful.
All right, you guys want some water, I imagine, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
that would be
Let's
great.
see what you got. Oh, you already have water. You actually want hot, too?
I would love that.
Okay. Well, we can work on that. All right, you want to be my assistant today?
Would love that.
All right, great.
And Colleen, we need your help finishing off the landscape.
Sounds great.
Also,
Come
let me
with
show you
us.
the bulkhead
Right.
here. It's where all the plumbing is.
All right, Gavin. So here is where your outside faucet connects to the cold water supply right here. You've got a well system, and so what we can do is just cut this back, and now we don't have to think about too much on the cold water side, but we still need hot water. So you've got a bathroom right here with cold and hot. So what we can do is cut a T in and run a new PEX line over there for hot and cold.
Okay.
All right, now, the question is, what are the choices? So this is sort of a primer on sort of all the ways you can get an outdoor shower. In warmer parts of this country, they might just have an outdoor, couple of faucets, and they might run it to a hose and mix it, but you have to worry about in colder climates, all of a sudden it's freezing. All of a sudden you get full pressure because the washer is right there. Now what you've got is this frost-proof silk caulk, and that has the shut-off way inside here, so it means it'll never freeze in any weather, so which is great. So we could just leave that one in there and then add a second one for the hot. And once we do that, it would be frost-proof, and then they make just a splitter device like this that has just hose connections. You'd make that, and then this would go out to a hand shower. Now they also take the same idea, frost-proof, and put it into a hot and cold wall hydrant. But we're gonna try to use something like this to give you a proper shower.
Oh, okay, great.
Okay, so what I'd like to do is to talk to you about combining the frost-proof angle here with the single control, and that's this thing. Now this is got the shutoffs way back in here, so it gives you frost protection. And then you turn on the supply right here, and you set the temperature.
Oh,
right
nice.
here. Isn't that good?
Yeah.
And the most important thing is I talked to Colleen. She wants this dark finish. Okay, all right. So let's get started. We'll turn the water off.
Sounds good.
First, I want to cut into the hot water line and install a copper to PEX T fitting. Then, I can run a hot water line and a shutoff valve to the existing location of the spigot.
Got this lilac for you. What do you think?
Wow, I love it.
How beautiful
It's
is
so
that?
bright.
I know, smell that
Oh, and it
fragrance.
smells really good, yeah.
So awesome. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out of the pot.
Okay.
I'm gonna tip it over. Oh, sweet, comes off pretty easy. It's not too root bound. Actually, I have it in my pocket here. So just take a rake, go around the sides. You wanna try, see what it feels like?
Sure, yeah. Okay, it's a little tough.
Yeah. But so all these little hairs, all these little roots, they'll be able to reach out into the soil then,
Yeah.
right?
Oh, that's awesome.
So we got that. And then I'm gonna lay that down for a second because I wanna put a little compost in the hole.
Okay.
Then, I think that's good because we're gonna build this side up. I
Okay.
don't want it too low. So yeah, just backfill it.
Look at this, you guys are cruising.
Hey, Nathan.
How's it going?
Pretty good.
Great.
Perfect plant for the perfect spot.
Yeah, it's a lilac.
Need any help?
No, we're all set. I think we
You're
got
good?
it under control,
Hey,
but nice
Nathan.
structure.
Hey, Richard.
You could give me a hand, actually.
Yeah, I can help out.
I'm gonna cut this line inside. Just pull the old faucet out. And then we gotta talk about trimming out the new one.
Okay.
Okay, take it out.
I got it.
Okay.
All right, so I have this cedar block that I cut out with a 2-inch hole in the middle. And I'm gonna use it as a template, but I'm also gonna inlay this into the wall, and it's gonna give us a perfect surface to mount our hot and cold faucet. I've added some flashing tape to protect the wallboard behind the cedar block.
Perfect. Now we can add the mounting bracket for the hydrant and slide the entire configuration through the wall to the hot and cold lines inside. And there's a little set screw at the bottom. All right, so now it is time for finishes. You know, a lot of people would just pick a nice simple hand shower, but Colleen picked out something really amazing. I love this.
Yeah.
Black finish, it's got the shower head here and then a hand shower.
Awesome.
It's beautiful.
It looks great.
Okay, so this is the way it's going to connect for us. We're going to make this connection right here and then run a hose down to our new faucet.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But that doesn't really look that good. You don't want to see that, do you?
Not really.
You admit it. So how about this?
Oh, wow.
Surf's up.
That looks awesome.
You're here on the Cape.
Yeah.
So what we can do is drill a hole and then mount this like this, okay? Then the hose will come down the bottom. So now you can use it all summer, and at the end of the season, you can turn it off, break the connection to the hose,
Okay.
lift the whole thing, take it right
Oh,
inside the
nice.
building so you don't have to worry about the varnish.
Right.
We don't want you varnishing your surf
That's
water.
great.
All right? Does that work?
That's awesome.
Good, let's drill a hole.
For the base of the shower, I've got this great slab of bluestone that we can cut the drain holes into. Anywhere in that area is good. All you guys have to do is line up your edge.
Yep.
Nope, so we're just gonna wanna...
Then we're gonna adjust
Shimmy.
it.
So Colleen, you can measure the distance between the post and the stone. Okay, now we've set our height for everything else. All right, outside edge right there. Go right down, Jen, perfect.
Yep.
Okay, square up.
Awesome.
Good.
So, the shower is complete.
It looks amazing.
Love it.
Great.
All right, the rule is the homeowners always get the owners to do it first, okay? Do you know how to use it?
Not yet.
All right, so it's so simple. The outer knob is the on and off, okay? And the inner one right here with that dial is temperature, all right? So give it a try. I'm gonna get out of the way. All right, and then there's a diverter. Okay, isn't that cool? Hey, it works. And that's tall enough for you.
Yeah,
See
I
how-
appreciate that.
Fantastic.
All right. So care and feeding this thing's pretty simple. At the end of the season, it's so simple. All you have to do is break the hose off,
Sure.
lift it, take it down into the basement, keep it out of harm's way for the winter, and then bring it back in the spring. You're done. So
Awesome.
We're so happy to give this to you guys.
Thank you
Great
all
people.
so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Really appreciate it.
Excellent.
It's been amazing.
So, if you've got questions, keep them coming because we would love to hear from you. But for now, I'm Jenn Nawada.
I'm Nathan Gilbert.
I'm Mark McCullough.
And I'm Richard Trethewey for Ask This House. Saying goodbye on behalf of Raffy, too.
Raffy.
Boy, Raffy.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.